Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will see what is polar tracking in AutoCAD Electrical. Polar tracking is located here. The shortcut key for polar tracking is F10. Now I will explain what is the use of this polar tracking in AutoCAD Electrical. First, let me enable this polar tracking. If you press this icon, it will turn into blue. And on the command window, you can also see that polar is on. That means polar tracking is on. Now we are having various angle settings in AutoCAD Electrical. Now let us go to track setting. In track setting, the first we are having a checkbox by which I can enable or disable polar tracking. Next we are having various defined incremental angles by AutoCAD Electrical, which will enable the user to draw lines at specific and accurate angles. It will enable the user to draw lines at accurate angles which is defined by the user. If the user angle is not defined here, user can add new angles by using this tab new, that is 2.5. User can have any, this is a user defined angle, and similarly user can delete a defined angle by using this delete key. By this way, user can add any specific angle whatever he wants. Now I will tell you what is the use of polar tracking. Let me select a line and let me draw a line. Now you can see that at 0 degree it is giving a green reference line. Then if I move the cursor, it is giving a next reference line at 90 degree. You can see it now. Next, it is next giving the reference line at 180 degree. This is the use of polar tracking. AutoCAD Electrical will give you a reference line at specified angles. If user need to draw lines which are perpendicular to each other, by using this polar tracking I can draw lines which are 90 degree to each other. This is very useful tool for drawing lines at an accurate angle. Next, we go and check the setting. Now I am going to change the angle from 90 180 to 45. Now let me escape, and again I am going to select a line. First reference is 0 degree, next reference is 45, 90. Now you can see that the first reference line was given at 0, 45, 90, 135. You may ask how this is giving, because we have enabled that setting in here. Here you can see that we have asked AutoCAD Electrical to provide reference line at this particular angles, which is 45, 90, 135, 180. Now let me change to a different angle and see the behavior of this line. Now the angle is at 0. Now I have enabled 23, 45, 68, 90, 0, 23, 40. You can see that at defined angles it is giving us a you can see that by using this polar tracking, user can draw accurate diagrams with respect to angles. This is a very helpful tool in AutoCAD Electrical for drawing accurate diagrams. Thank you.